Hey, I'm Jesse from Crow.dev, the developer data platform for open source companies. And today I'm going to show you three ways you can use Crow.dev. The first, how to identify key people in your developer community and user base. Two, how to find high intent accounts for your go-to-market team. And three, how to get actionable reports to inform your decisions and track growth. Now let's head over to our Crow.dev dashboard. On the homepage, you'll see this overview dashboard with all of your active integrations on the right. These could include sources like GitHub, Discord, Hacker News, or many others. Now, let's navigate to the contacts page by selecting contacts on the left sidebar. This page gives us a full view of all the contacts in our community. On this page, you can toggle the top menu to see different segments of contacts, like new and active or most engaged. You can even create your own custom view in the top right here. We'll stay on the All Contacts page and filter to get a clear picture of active contacts. To do this, click Filters in the top right-hand corner. You can either search or scroll. We want to see which ones have actively engaged with our GitHub repo. So we'll select Active On, make sure it says Include, and click on GitHub. Now we have a full view of all the developers in our open source community that have engaged with our GitHub. We can find the contacts that are the most engaged relative to other contacts by sorting by engagement level. If we click on a contact, we can view their profile, and you can see this profile has been enriched. So we have all of the contacts' identities on the right, the organizations they've worked at, and up to 20 developer attributes. We have a lot of data points, like their seniority level, expertise, and location. And if they're a good fit, you can tag them as a potential advocate and use this data and history below to do personalized outreach. Now we're going to find high intent accounts in our developer community. To do this, we'll click on organizations in the left-hand menu. This page gives us a full view of all the organizations in our community. To find high intent accounts, we can filter by number of contacts, and we'll say is greater than or equal to 3. This will show us all of the organizations in our community that have 3 or more contacts. So we can see which organizations are engaging the most with our community. We can open an organization's profile and we'll see all of their identities on the right, all of their attributes, and all of the team members. We can also see who's been the most engaged, and we can track their activity by clicking activities. With our HubSpot integration, you can also sync your Crow.dev data to HubSpot and vice versa. This gives your go-to-market team a full view of your user journey and lets them receive relevant purchase intent signals. Next, I'll show you how to get actionable reports. Click on the reports icon in the left menu. We can see all of our default reports here and all of the custom reports we've built below. I want to use our product community fit report today. This report is tailored to open source companies and describes the moment a product successfully targets a developer community's needs and generates significant value. Proving product community fit can have a notable impact on commercialization, hiring, and fundraising. There are a lot of discussions about how to measure product community fit, but we found that especially for companies with an open source core, one metric seems to work as a good indicator of success: monthly active contributors. Monthly active contributors are defined as the number of people that have made at least one contribution to your community in a given month. The product community fit report gives us a unified view of monthly active contributors and pulls data from all active integrations. This is shown in this graph. Not only do we get a view of our data, but we can also benchmark it with contribution history of over 150,000 open source repos. And this is shown here. You can see we have early signals of product community fit. To wrap up, we've gone through how to find and understand the key contacts in your developer community, how to find high intent accounts to enable your go-to-market team, and how to get actionable reports to inform your decisions and track growth. We've only scratched the surface of what we can accomplish with Crow.dev, and our product is constantly evolving. We're focused on building the best developer data platform for open source companies. If you have any questions or want a demo, please head over to our website where you can sign up for free or book a demo and get all of your questions answered. Thank you for listening and have fun exploring our platform.